Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Zontes have always been forward-thinking in the design of their motorbikes and scooters. Two new releases from Zontes, the 150M scooter and the 150D scooter, still follow that example. To make it easier to do the air filter change on this model, Zontes engineers decide you don't have to take all the air filter housing off to change the air filter. As you can see from this video, that you only have to take off one screw on the air filter housing to take out the air filter, which makes it a lot easier job to do for yourself. You don't have to be mechanically minded to do it. Just take out the one screw, pull off the actual housing, then pull out the air filter. So you don't have to take all the actual air filter, 6 or 7 bolts out, and then take off the covering to actually get to the air filter. New design, new tech. Brilliant. This makes it so simple for the owners to do themselves rather than to do it. Whether you want to clean the air filter before servicing or you're going to change the air filter for a service. Please like and subscribe to join our journey. Lots of videos in our playlist. Actually, there's over 1,700 videos in our playlist, all mechanical videos mainly, and they're all regarding most of the Zontes bikes. Different models in different languages, subtitled in English, French, Arabic, Chinese, and Spanish. And I'd make tatty bye for now.